What's going on, people? Cuss by Mike here with another YouTube tutorial. Right here we got the youngin' Nathaniel. We started off by knocking all the hair down to a 2. I'm in with our Andes liners. And we put a ball line in with a slight drop. It'll be a mid to a low fade with a slight drop in the back. Clear out all that hair so we have a nice clean canvas. Then we come in with our Stylecraft Rebels. By the way, my go-to clipper, I got 2 pair, man. They just grind through this hair all day, workhorses. We got the no guard open, about 1 inch. Then we go halfway, trying to just delete that line, erase that line as good as we can. And then we go 3/4 of the way, hit that line, and then we go all the way closed, and then that line should be gone. Next we come in with our 1 guard open, going up about 1 inch. I like to stay consistent, stretch the blade out pretty evenly. So 1 guard all the way open, create that guideline, then we close it up halfway, and we start fading down, tacking that line. It's pretty much just the same system all the way through. Close it up all the way. Of course, it's not going to erase that line all the way. And then we come in with our half guard all the way open. Cutting and combing. I like to keep that cut hair out the way. Close the half guard up halfway. Continue to hit that line. And then I like to go 3/4 of the way. And then all the way close should get rid of that line completely. If you're not already subscribed, man, hit that subscribe button. I'm really trying to grow this channel. Help your boy out. Next, we're going to come in with the number 2 guard closed. Trying to remove some of that bulk, and then we'll fade down. Then we'll grab the 1.5 all the way open. Just attacking that line you see right there. Cutting and combing. Then we go halfway. Then we go all the way closed. Of course, it's still a faint line there, so I'll come back. I'll just continue to go over this a little bit, make sure it's evenly cut down until I think it's good. Next, I come in with my 1 guard all the way open, and I'll just adjust that lever as needed. They call it trigger play. So we'll just go down, hit that line until it's blended out. Now I got my 1.5 guard all the way closed, going with the grain just to smooth it out. Yeah, we're pretty much done. We'll come in with the lineup. Boom, just like magic. This is a short video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment. Hey, I appreciate you.